Oh, hello, this is Tsao from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. For quite some time, I make a version of General Tsao's chicken by creating my own sauces using my basic chicken stir-fry template. Then I found this sauce and I decided to give it a try. This is a very simple dish to make, requiring very few ingredients and have a lot of flexibility. I have a lot of fun in making this dish because it's very quick. In a matter of minutes, it is done. I cook this dish in my 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok. The main reason I like this wok because I can wash it really well without worrying that it is going to rust. Also, it is easily seasoned with my spot seasoning method. Advanced prepping is a key attribute of my fast cooking system, together with flavor chasing, stir frying, and template-based cooking. I use this method to prep my chicken so that I could have them ready from freezer to the wok in less than 10 minutes. This makes cooking more spontaneous and fun. To give the chicken a light crispy texture, I coat them with a thin layer of cornstarch. I use the shallow frying technique to fry the chicken on one side before turning them over to fry the other side. Here I use about 10 ounces of thinly sliced chicken breast. Now, if you like chicken and would like to have chicken anytime you want, you definitely should try my advanced prepping technique for chicken. It will make your cooking more enjoyable. Coating the chicken with cornstarch and then shallow fry them is also a technique that will give the chicken a slight crispy texture and keep the inside of the chicken moist and tender. I have tried many methods to stir fry chicken over the years, and I found this probably is the best method that provide the best flavor and texture of the chicken. Onion goes well almost with anything, particularly chopped onions. They melt into the background to create a more complex flavor to the dish. It is the reason that I always have some onion already prepped on hand. By now, the shallow frying did its job in browning the chicken. Next, I add some scallion to provide color. So okay, now I'm ready to add the General Tsao sauce that I found at Aldi the other day. Now, I normally do not like pre-made sauces and prefer to make my own. However, for some of my viewers, this might be a good starting point before they begin to create their own sauces. Pre-made sauces definitely have their advantages, but at the same time, I don't know what is in them, and I don't have much control over their flavors. I could serve the dish as it is. However, I think it is more interesting by adding other ingredients, and to me, pineapple is perfect for this kind of dishes. Besides, I have some fresh pineapples that I have in my prep. I have a lot of fun in create visual appeal in a dish. Sometimes if I can add color to a dish, I definitely will. Therefore, I always have some color bell peppers in my prep. Cooking this dish is fast, and the total cook time is under 5 minutes. For me, when I can cook like this, I have zero need in just settle for fast and processed food. However, the key is to have a cooking system, and in my case, it is the fast cooking system. With flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, I can cook most of my meal within what I call the 30-minute windows. So what is the verdict? I find the sauce too sweet for my preference, but overall the flavor was good, although not I would call it great. I probably would like it a touch more sour. However, the chicken turned out great, and I thoroughly enjoyed the pineapples in the dish. The pepper add nice color, but otherwise, I'm okay with them. However, the dish looks great. It looks very professional, like a restaurant dish. It has great aesthetic appeal, particularly after I garnish it with some scallions. This bottle of sauce costs about $3 at Aldi, and it was enough to make about 4 dishes. The price actually is not bad, but I will not use it again. Now, I prefer to concoct my own sauces. However, my friend Jim loved this sauce, and he likes the convenience. But still, he told me the other day that in time, he would like to create his own. So next time when you're at Aldi, pick one up and give it a try. It will be a good reference point when you are ready to concoct your own sauces. I call this flavor chasing, as part of my fast cooking system, where you're constantly looking for the flavor that you love and enjoy. I believe that we love its flavor first before we love the food. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.